We are the Wallens. The worst thing about mopping the floor to me is like I'm just swirling dirty water around and then getting it up and the floor is sticky and the floor isn't really clean. I do different products and different mops and all kinds of things. It's a lot of work. I would be interested in seeing a faster system that really works.
I spend a lot of time in my study that it's been well used and well worn. And I would challenge you to get it back to its original state.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.
It's easy.
Wow!
Wow!
I have not seen the tile that clean since we put it down over 20 years ago. It has been rejuvenated.
I can truly say that with the Click and Clean, it's not hard work. It's easy, it's efficient, it's much quicker, and I think I'll enjoy using it, honestly.